Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change 2017 Hyundai Elantra key battery. Start by removing the mechanical key from the fob using the release tab, then use a small flathead to pry open the seam gently. Note the orientation of the old CR 2032 battery so you install the new one the same way. Press the halves together until they click, then test the buttons to confirm the new battery works. In this video, I will show how to change 2017 Hyundai Elantra key battery. With the mechanical key out, place the fob on a soft towel and insert a coin into the slot, twisting gently until the case pops open. Carefully lift the circuit board and note the battery orientation, then use a fingernail or tweezers to remove the CR 2032 battery straight up. Replace with the new battery and reassemble the fob until it clicks shut. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more how-to guides. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is great for hands-on jobs because it seals tight and stays cold, making it perfect when you're kneeling by the car for a quick battery swap. I've placed the link and other deals in the description for easy access, so take a peek now, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to change 2017 Hyundai Elantra key battery. Once reassembled, test the fob by locking and unlocking the doors from a short distance, then walk away to confirm range. If buttons are unresponsive, inspect the circuit board for corrosion and clean contacts with isopropyl alcohol. If problems persist, try another new CR 2032 battery or visit a locksmith for key programming checks to rule out electronic faults.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.